Hello everyone, it's me Swayam Adhikari and I'm here to give a seminar on the topic Smart Mirror. So here we have the table of contents. We have introduction, review of literature, design, drawback, proposed system, working, some pictures of smart mirrors, advantages, conclusion and references. So we'll be going thoroughly one by one. So let's begin with the introduction. Smart mirrors are straight from science fiction. A smart mirror is a two-way mirror with an electronic display behind the glass. They are part of an optimistic vision of the future that imagines a world where screens and data are everywhere, ready to feed you whatever information you need at a moment's notice. Basically, the mirror looks like normal mirror, but when someone stands in front of it, the scene changes. The mirror provides a functional, user-friendly and interactive UI to its user for accessing their social sites, Messenger, etc. It has widget for displaying the current weather condition, time, event, latest news headlines. The smart mirror would help in developing smart houses with embedded artificial intelligence as well as finding its application in industries. Now here we have a review of the literature. The design and the development of an interactive multimedia futuristic smart mirror with artificial intelligence for the ambient home environment as well as for commercial uses in various industries. The project, which would collect real world machine data and data would be transmitted from the machine and would be managed by the Raspberry Pi. The smart mirror implemented as a personalized digital device equipped with peripherals such as Raspberry Pi, microphones, speaker, LED monitor covered with a sheet of reflective one-way mirror provides one of the most basic common amenities such as weather of the city, latest update of news and headlines, and local time corresponding to the location. We have here the design of the smart mirror and the objects with their functionality. The first one is the two-way glass mirror. The two-way glass mirror is to provide the transparent and reflective surface. Second is monitor, which forms the display of the mirror. The third is Raspberry Pi, which forms the CPU of the monitor. The fourth one is IR frame, which provides the touch interface to the mirror. The fifth one is camera for the face detection. Sixth one is microphone for voice input. Seventh one is 8-channel relay for connecting to the home appliances. Under the design we have level 1 design. So here we can see power connection, microphone for voice input, camera for image processing form the basic input devices for the mirror. The monitor and the speaker forms the output devices of the mirror. So here we can see the basic structure of the smart mirror. So where power, camera, microphone, input devices are connected to the smart mirror, and the 8-channel relay which is giving output to the home appliances through UI interface. Basically each and everything contains the drawback. So there are some of the drawbacks of the smart mirror. So here we go with the drawbacks. So it has limitation that the app ecosystem is currently very small. The glass could be more reflective, but it can easily be changed. Swipe gestures are sometimes unreliable. The hardware and software are more decoupled because current sensors and microphones are tied to the software, and it can be difficult to make the operating system work with different hardware. And here we have the proposed system. The mirror will do the thinking of the user with the help of an inbuilt personal assistant. So we have personal assistant here in the smart mirror, and it will update with the user's calendar schedule, to-do list, news and weather, etc. The information would be displayed on the edge of the mirror to still allow to use of the actual mirror. So here we can use the mirror to display the information, and generally we can use the mirror in its actual form also. The mirror provides common information. Most people check their smartphones. So basically the common information that we keep on checking on our smartphones can be displayed on that mirrors. This allows the user to read, think and plan their day while getting ready in the morning and night. So here we have the working of the smart mirror. So let's see how the smart mirror work. So here we have two-way glass mirror, monitor, camera, microphone, IR frame, Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. So here you can see that this is the Raspberry Pi Model 3B. This one is the Raspberry Pi. So this one is the Raspberry Pi Model 3B. It has a vital, crucial role in this smart mirror. Now we have 8-channel relay here, which is connected to the home appliances, and the weather, time, calendar, music. These are the events that are scheduled in the Raspberry Pi to be displayed in the smart mirror. So we can see that how these events are scheduled. We'll be discussing it later. So let's go with the two-way mirror. So the two-way mirror is what gives the mirror its real identity. It's really magic mirror. It has a reflective surface at one side, and also it's transparent for light with good intensity. The mirror stays at the front where the user can watch himself or herself in the mirror at the same time. That allows the light from monitor to pass through it and make available the user interface. The monitor is directly connected to Raspberry Pi via HDMI interface, thus providing display as well as voice output. For providing touch availability to monitor, IR frames are used. So HDMI is high definition multimedia interface for transmitting video and audio data. And IR frames provide the touch interface to the smart mirror. The IR frames has IR sensors. IR is the infrared sensors on its siding and connects to Pi via USB interface, thus making a smart mirror touchable. So we have channel relay. The 8-channel relay connects directly to high voltage input source of power and low power GPIO pins on Raspberry Pi. So GPIO pin nothing but general purpose input output ports, which has 40 pins. They are little pins on circuit board that allows to plug various devices into Pi. The GPIO pin cannot control the home appliances directly as they have very less output power, that is about 5 volt. So we require 8-channel relay circuit board which close the circuit of home appliances when given a high of 5 voltage. Camera. The camera is an input device for the mirror. It is used for face recognition as well as body recognition. A concept called virtual dressing can be implemented using image processing. We roam in mall in search of various clothes. We cannot practically try all of the dressing that we like, so no need for doing trials every time. Face recognition based authentication is another use of the camera. It customizes the profile of different user on the same mirror. So this is the use of camera in Raspberry Pi. So microphones. The microphone is used to give voice input to the mirror. Along with touch capability of voice input makes the system very reliable and robust in working. A sensitive microphone takes voice command from the user and process to do the corresponding actions. So here we have Raspberry Pi 3 Model B, which is the core of the smart mirror. So in this Raspberry Pi we have audio and video, CSI camera port, HDMI, micro USB power, DSI display port, micro SD, Bluetooth 4.1 and we have Wi-Fi, GPIO pins, CPU, GPU memory, and USB 2 ports we have here in the Raspberry Pi along with the network. So here GPIO is the general purpose input output ports which has 40 pins. They are little pins on circuit board that allows to plug various devices into Raspberry Pi. The DSI is display serial interface that connects LED panel using 15-pin ribbon cable. The HDMI is high definition multimedia interface for transmitting video and audio data. The CSI is camera serial interface. It is used to take high definition videos. By CSI we can attach Pi camera module directly. So the Raspberry Pi is the low cost credit card size computer that plugs into a computer monitor or TV. The Raspberry Pi 3 Model B features a quad Core 64 ARM Cortex A53 clocked at 1.2 GHz. It is 50% faster than Pi 2. The Raspberry Pi is the most vital part of the mirror is, I already said that, it forms the processing unit of the mirror. The Pi is like a motherboard having all the required constituent which forms a greater CPU, its size of a credit card, as I already said. And the GPIO pin on Raspberry Pi controls the 8-channel relay. The Raspberry Pi pin has inbuilt Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for connectivity purpose, as well as it allows 4 USB devices to be plugged in. The programmer of the Pi is done using Python language. The program can be first developed and compiled on Windows or any other platform and then can run on Pi. The Pi also has its own inbuilt IDE to program in language like C++, Python, C, Java, etc. Installation of operating system on Raspberry Pi is quite a simple process. So here we have some pictures of the smart mirror. You can see that it is not acting only as a simple mirror, but here we can see the time, the weather, and many other events that are scheduled. Advantages. There are several advantages of a smart mirror that are given below. So first is attractive light box, adjustable image switching time, fast and easy image replacement, easy to communicate. So the attractive light box, it can also act as a mirror. We can display anything, any event we like. And second, the adjustable image switching time. Here the image can be shortened or lengthened as per requirement. If the image is full of information, duration between image is lengthened to allow more time for attention. And third, the fast and easy image replacement. It just takes few minutes to replace image. It is fast, easy. So the time consuming between this device and other device is less. And the fourth one, easy to communicate. That is, it allows the user to interact using different means. So here the user can use any of the means to interact with the system. Finally, we have the conclusion. The smart mirror provides user with an enhanced mirror experience. By making use of multiple displays, the user can stay updated on the time, weather, and the news headline while preparing for the day in with the fully functional smart mirror. The mirror display is provided by a flat LED display monitor which displays all the necessary information which are useful for the users. These are the references. You can see that. Thank you for watching my video.